Hi everyone, it's Jim Thomas here from the Tenkile Conservation Alliance, and
John Pittard from Solar Solutions.
we're here to talk about the fantastic project we've got with DFAT and ESIP, the Pawarim Komuniti Solar Project, in which the items we're holding here will be delivered to 2,690 households. And we're just going to give you a little talk now about what the people will be receiving, so the people know and all of our partners and sponsors know as well. So here we have a 50 watt panel, 15 watt panel, and I'll let John explain.
And we're holding a lithium battery with a regulator where you plug in the lights. You get four globe lights, which plug in here, and they've got their own individual switches. You've got the panel plugs in here, and you've got a 12 volt plug here where you can, if you want to later on, purchase a small TV or a fan or a stand fan that will also operate off this system. You receive all your cables and switches with each system, but importantly, and in fact one of the most important things, is everyone is going to be trained in the proper use and maintenance of their solar system. And that's going to mean that these solar systems are going to last a long time. With the lithium batteries, you've got at least 5 to 7 years before they need replacement, and then the cost of replacement will be quite cheap, and people are going to be trained up in each village to be the go-to repair person for each village, and they'll be able to replace the lithium batteries, bring the lithium batteries that are used back to Tenkile base, and they will be sent back for recycling, so nothing gets wasted.
Fantastic. All right.